Hello, my name is Kane Nugent. My class is Marketing 4824, Marketing Management Problems. And today I will be going over the cigar reviews dataset and kind of just talked about it a little bit. So I have three sheets that I want to talk about. The first sheet here is the average taste and compared to the style. Um, so this is the dataset, and obviously if we want to see it in descending order, this would this is how it would look like. And as you can see, the American Imperial Scout would have the highest average taste at 4.401 versus let me go down, versus the American Extra Larger, which only has a rating of a 3.5. Right, so with this bar graph right here, you can really see which one's the highest and which one is the lowest. The second sheet I want to talk about is the scatter plot I have here, which is the average taste compared to the average look. And as you can see, the color fades from like a lighter blue to a darker blue, and as we go up in taste, the color gets darker. Let's look at this one right here, Flanger Red Ale, which has a 3.6, and it's in the lighter blue. Same thing with this one, right? American Agent Larger, which what we were just talking about from sheet 1 right here, as at a 3.5 average rating, and here it's at a 3.5. As you can see, it's in a lighter blue versus a better tasting beer right here, which is American Imperial Stout at a 4 average taste as a 4.4. And as you can see, the color coordinates to the average taste and average look. The higher it is, and the more better taste it is, the darker the color, right? So pretty much all these there right here. And the third one I want to talk about is the reviewers, right? So let's take a look at Bernard, for example. So Bernard has about 335 reviews. So obviously this is someone you want to target because they do a lot of reviews versus someone over on this, more on towards the right side, bottom right, on line 73, who only has about 152 reviews. So out of the two, Bernard's obviously someone you want to target and try out new products because he or she will be more likely to give a review on that product. And now we're going to the dashboard. Now with the dashboard, the really cool thing is you're able to click on, for example, let's say Johnny B. Click on Johnny B, and we're able to see what he or she has give review on or tasting. For example, Johnny B has tried a few, right? So he did the American Brown Ale. He or she again gave it a rating of 4.5, and then also try English Porter 3.2. So the cool thing is we can go and kind of really narrow down and kind of figure out what product these reviews has tried. And same thing with average taste, we are having it from descending order. We can switch it to ascending. Oh, I'm sorry, this is descending order, yeah. And mixed order, this is obviously an alphabet. Again, they all correlate with each other, so that's a really cool thing. See, obviously Ray UF, he hasn't done a lot of reviews for these, so again, see, you can really narrow down and see which one. Macrosmatic done a lot of reviews, and notice how their reviews are definitely on the high end. They seem to enjoy the product more. It's high on the average taste and also high on average look. And that's all I have. Again, thank you so much for watching.